Hey guys, Shukar here, back with another video, and in today's video we are going to unbox the DZ09 Smartwatch. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get started with the unboxing, and here we have the box. This is the box that the watch came in. So we'll open it. So as you can see, we have the watch here. It has a very simple look. Seems that we only have a cable, a data cable or a charging cable, and a battery that came with the watch, but this battery was damaged, so I have to order a new one. And we have the guide here, I believe. Yes, this has the full description of the watch, so it will be handy. And I have got the global version, so it's not written in Chinese. Okay, the Chinese is also written at the back, so that's not a problem for me. So let's keep all the guides aside, the box and the battery and the SD card, and let's have a look at the watch. So this is the watch itself. It has the charging port here, micro USB charging port, and it has a shiny button here, and 0.2 megapixel camera, and the mic, which will be used for the phone calls and recording. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's already on. So this is the default clock face, and you guys will have 3 different clock faces. So as you can see, we have only 3 watch faces to choose from, and if you swipe up from bottom, your menu will come, and go to the main menu, and here are all the list of the apps that you will get. We have a browser, WhatsApp, dialer, phone book, messaging, call logs, quick response, Facebook, Twitter, anti-lost, and yeah, etc. Okay, so let's have a look at the inside. Turn it off. So first we open. Okay, so in your case you will have the battery, the black battery. In my case I'm having the blue one because I have already purchased another, because the black one that came with the watch was damaged. So we remove the battery. We have a micro SIM card slot, I believe. Yes, you just push it in for using a SIM card, and here's the micro SD card slot. I have inserted a 4 GB micro SD card already, and here's the speaker grill for audio output. So let's turn it on. Be careful with the battery and the back part, because it's very sensitive. Once it's broken, you will have to buy a new watch. By the way, if you want to download any apps or games on this smartwatch, another video will be posted on maybe next week, so stay tuned for that. And if you like my video, then please kindly subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, then comment down below. Thank you.